Hey everyone, today we are here at Disney's Polynesian Resort's brand new island tower at Walt Disney World Resort. We're here to check out the entire resort, the amenities that they have to offer, and have a fun day. So let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Now, before we enter, there is a parking lot. However, it is also important to know that if you're going to use the parking lot, you must be here staying overnight. If you're not, then unfortunately, you won't be allowed to park here. And if you're visiting as a non-resort guest, then you can park at the Transportation Ticket Center. Now, as soon as we head inside, we first have the lobby itself. On both sides, there is chairs where you can sit back and relax and even charge your phone with the port chargers. And then you can even see plenty of other designs where you can see some sea creatures like turtles, dolphin, crab, stingray, and even a shark as well. I figured we would also start inside since this is going to be the main section of the brand new island tower. If we head over to our right, there is the restrooms. And then you even have this portrait where you can see the sailboats, as you can see Tahiti, Polynesia, Rapa Nui, Hawaii, and Moana Nui Kiwa. And you can even see the model of the Drua canoe. Even have some of the artwork of a boat in the middle of an ocean with the sunrise. And as soon as you head over your left and make another left, there will be 4 different sets of elevators. Although you need to have your match banner card so that you can unlock your room door and elevator. But let's say you didn't make a left and wanted to make a right. Then as soon as you head down the hallway, there is actually an ice machine and vending machine where you can get some Coke products or ice, and guest laundry, where in order to use this is only reserved for DVC members of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. And last but not least, you also have a room where you can put your trash and recycling in here. If we make our way back here, there's another piece of artwork with some fish. But past the elevators, there is also some more artwork. You can see Tamatoma actually right there, stingray, and even some other animals like turtle, and some other hidden artwork in here, where this is a massive piece of art. And you can even see the heart of graffiti up there, although I don't know if we can actually head up to floor 2. You can even see some greenery up on the ceiling, along with some more tables and chairs with this Christmas tree for the holiday season, themed to Polynesian Resort. On level 2, you can even see some old artwork of concept art of the Polynesian Resort before they constructed it. And now for the island tower, Disney used old concept art ideas of the original tower idea and built it with this brand new island tower. On the right side, there is also Wailulu Bar and Grill, as they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, where you can eat at the bar or inside, where there's plenty of food offerings, from burgers to wings, croissant, banana muffin, fresh fruit, strawberry yogurt parfait, musubi, grilled chichito peppers, sticky pork ribs, and poke bowl, teriyaki chicken sliders, and other desserts like vanilla creme brulee, chocolate cake, Dole Whip sundae. And there's also some kids offerings, tea, lemonade, cocktails, and even some beer. let's say you wanted to head out here. There is Tafiti's Terrace, where you can sit back and relax outside as you have this great view of both Magic Kingdom and the Seven Seas Lagoon. And last but not least, when it comes to the rest of this hotel, we have to talk about levels 2 to 10, because at 3 of these sections, there's actually 4 garden towers where you can overlook Seven Seas Lagoon and see this beautiful view higher up, as this is only available for resort guests. So if you are a non-resort guest, then unfortunately you won't be able to see levels 2 to 10. Now, nearby the bar and grill, there is also a fitness center where you can lift weights, go on ellipticals, or even go on other exercising machines. There's also a Coke Freestyle station and restroom nearby the pool. Now here at the Polynesian Island Tower, there is also their main pool, which is called Cove Pool. Now this is actually a really big pool around here where it is so relaxing with that island music. There is also plenty of seating and chairs all around where you can sit back and relax. You even have some hammocks as well overlooking the Seven Seas Lagoon. And last but not least, there is also Moana's Voyage Splash Zone. Here, kids can play around the splash pad where it is all themed to Moana. I mean, there is some details like some wood carvings of fish, and you even have some additional chairs as you can just relax at this area. If you're trying to get into the pool and to the Moana Splash Zone, pool hours will be from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. and it's only exclusive to Disney Polynesian Village Resort guests, as you will need a Magic Band or card to enter. I think right now that is going to be a wrap on our adventure here at Disney's Polynesian Resort. The whole new Island Tower was beautiful to check out. Let me know in the comments what you think of this whole new Island Tower. I'd love to know your thoughts down below. And of course, as always, until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.